Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Digital Connect. My name is Basit, and in today's video I want to share with you the best softwares for churches. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's dive right into the tutorials. What I intended to do here is that I've categorized the softwares into 4 sections. Okay, so in every sections I'm going to show you guys the software you need to achieve those things I've listed below them. Then after that we'll walk you through the actual softwares and their name. Okay, so when you look at our first software over here, we have our presentation software. Okay, so we are going to look at the softwares we can use for Bible presentations, song presentations, motion graphics or still images, to play audio or videos in the church auditorium. Okay, so I'm going to show you the softwares we can use to achieve these results. Okay, so these softwares can be, some are paid softwares and some are free software, so I will show you all this. All right, okay guys, so when you look at the presentation softwares, the first one we're going to look at is Pro Presenter. Okay, Pro Presenter is a professional feature-rich software that big churches use for their projection. Okay, it supports Bible, it supports graphic, it supports anything you can think of. Okay, you can create multiple stages for the church auditorium, for the production section, for timer for the preacher, and a lot of things you can use it for. Okay, so I was doing my research and then I came across this. So a church like the Liquid Church, Pastor Joel Austin, okay, they use it at their church. Look at the church, very big church. Okay, they use Pro Presenter for their presentation at the church here. Okay, and then when you look at this church as well, Transformation Church, Pastor Michael Todd, okay, they also use the same software for their presentations. Okay, so it's a very great software that you can try out. Okay, so you can download it and try out, but it is not free. You need to buy it. Okay, but you have a free trial that you can try it, and then you can use it as long as you want on the free trial. Okay, the next software on my list under the presentation category is Easy Worship. All right, Easy Worship, a lot of you guys know about Easy Worship. Okay, Easy Worship, you have Easy Worship 2009, Easy Worship 6, and Easy Worship 7. All right, so the difference between the Easy Worship 2009, 2006, and 2000 and then Easy Worship 7 is that the Easy Worship 7 supports camera. Okay, you can connect a camera feed into it, and then also supports NDI output. All right, it supports the NDI technology, so that makes the Easy Worship 7 very powerful software that you can use. Okay, you can do a lot of things with it. Okay, you can use it to do Bible presentations, song projection, play video, play songs, audio, a lot of things you can think about, do announcements, support PowerPoint, a whole lot of things you can think about. Okay, so Easy Worship is very easy to learn as compared to Pro Presenter. Pro Presenter is a bit complex, but Easy Worship is quite easy to learn and master. All right, so you can use the Easy Worship software to also create multiple screens for different purposes. Okay, the Easy Worship 7, you can also use it to create a stage screen as well. The timer and all those things are included in the Easy Worship 7. All right, so the Easy Worship 7 is not a free software as well. You need to pay for it. All right, but one thing about it is that you can use it for free. Okay, you can download it and use the trial as long as you want. Okay, the only thing that will come on it is that there's a watermark on it. That is all. If you don't care about the watermark, then you can use it for absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything for the Easy Worship 7 software. The next software under the presentation category is Bible Show. I select this Bible Show for a purpose. All right, Bible Show cannot project song lyrics like Easy Worship and Pro Presenter. Okay, but one cool thing I like about Bible Show is that it's completely free. All right, first, it's completely free, and then secondly, it supports all Bible versions. Okay, Easy Worship 7 or Easy Worship 6 or 2009 have a limited Bible version you support, the rest you have to buy them, okay? But Bible Show support almost all the Bible scriptures in different languages, okay? So you can check the language section over here. You can see support a lot of languages here: Africana, Equiapin in Ghana, Ashanti. A lot of them support the Hausa, the Chinese, Czech, a lot. Ewefanti, Ga, Greek, Hebrew, Hausa. A lot of Bible versions and languages support. All right, so that's one cool thing I like about the Bible Show software, okay? Additional one cool feature I also like about it is that it has an NDI support, okay? So it means that you can easily get output from Bible Show into Vimix. Or one thing I also want to talk about is that you can use Easy Worship and Bible Show at the same time, okay? So this brings me to the end of the presentation softwares. I know there are quite some that I didn't include in this video, but so I recommend anyone who wants to start using softwares for presentations to choose these ones I've presented to you guys. So let's look at the second category. When we come to the second category, we have the live streaming and the recording software, okay? So I'm going to walk you through the software you need to be able to stream to Facebook, YouTube, or any other platform, okay, live, okay? And we're also going to look at the softwares you can use to record our live church service, whether it's in a video form or an audio form. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this, all right? So the software I'll recommend here for that is Vimix, okay? Vimix is a very powerful and popular software for live streaming and video recording, okay? So by the use of Vimix, you can stream your church service live to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, and a lot of the platforms by using this software, okay? Vimix is not free, okay, but you can download it and then get 60 days, that is 2 months trial, full months trial that you can use, okay? It's a very popular and powerful software that you use, okay? And it has almost all the features you need, okay? It has a lower tier, support lower tiers. You can create titles, scrolling text on it. You can do a whole lot of things on it. You can play audio, songs. You can use it as NDI to get output from Bible Show into it. You can do a whole lot of things using this software, okay? So if you want to stream your church service online, I recommend Vimix for you guys, okay? So the second software I'm going to look at is OBS, okay? A very popular and free software, okay? It works like Vimix, okay? But Vimix feature rich than it, all right? OBS does a great job, okay? Because it's totally free, so that's a great job. You can use it to record videos. You can use it to stream to Facebook and other social media platforms like the way Vimix will do, okay? And it's very powerful and good. Since it is free, you can use it as long as you want. No one is going to worry to pay for anything, and it's very good that if you want to consider a software for live streaming and video recording, I recommend OBS and Vimix for you guys, all right? The third software we are going to look at here is we are going to look at the software we are going to use for church branding, okay? So sometimes you have to brand your church by creating flyers. So what software are you going to use to create flyers? What software are you going to use to create nice social media pages, and how to design your social media pages, how to create church infographics design, and then how to create nice church presentations, all right? So I will show you the software you can use to do that. And you don't have to be a Photoshop person, okay? You can just be a normal person, and then you'll be able to use that software to achieve your desired results. We are looking at church branding over here, okay? So if you want to brand your church, Canva is for you, okay? If you know how to use Photoshop, Adobe product like Adobe Illustrator and the rest, it's quite good, okay? But if you don't have the knowledge to use them, or it's too complex for you, then I highly recommend Canva for you guys. Okay, Canva is so good, okay, to make your life very easy for you. You don't need to know how to do this lot of editing with Photoshop before you can use Canva. With a little knowledge, you can just get a nice template and edit it to your choice. Okay, you have a lot of artificial intelligence functionalities that make your work very easy for you. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let me show you something here. So let's search for church flyer over here. I've typed here already. Yeah, let me click on enter here. So the Canva web application has a lot of templates for you. All right, so when you look at the church flyers template, okay, we have a lot of them over here. A lot of them, a lot. Okay, you can pick any of them, then customize it to suit how you want it. All right, so the design have been made for you already. So all what you have to do is that just click on it. Maybe you want to work with this one, like this one. Okay, any of them. Okay, you just have to click on it like this. Then go to customize this template. Table, right? If you want to edit the church here, and just write on it like this. Anything you type here is going to change for you. Okay, anything you type here is going to change for you. So if you want to replace this image, just come here and make sure that you upload an image over here. Then this application have artificial intelligence that can easily remove the background of your image for you to replace it over here. All right, okay, so maybe I want to replace this with this my image. Let me just bring this image over here like this. Okay, and then let me go to edit photo, remove background, edit photo, Magic Studio, then background remover. Click on it. It's working. All right, when it's done, it's going to remove the background nicely, and then you can use it on your flyer. This is a mobile flyer. We have some that is bigger than this. We have some that is quite bigger, so you can get any type of flyer you want over here. So this Canva website, anything you want about social media, anything that has to do with church media, okay, Canva is going to serve you here. All right, so you can create social media posts with it. You can design so many different types of content for your social media. You can even use it to create videos, reels, and a lot of things. Okay, so Canva over here, you can see that it's nicely removed. All right, guys, so you can see that the Magic Studio have done a wonderful job by removing the background and placing me inside the poster as if I'm the one who designed it. Right, this is looking so beautiful. Okay, so you can do this with countless number of templates on this page. Okay, but one thing I want to tell you guys is that this web application has a free version and a paid version. Okay, so the free version is kind of limited, but the paid version have all the features. Okay, and you can subscribe to their 30 days trials, and then you get access to the free the pro version. You can use it for free. So postermywall.com. all right, this is also like Canva. Okay, it has a lot of templates over here you can also use. All right, that's a lot of church templates, graphics that you can use. Okay, so if there is something you are looking at Canva and you are not quite okay with it, then you come to this website and come and use it over here. All right, these websites also have a free version and a paid version. So the free version has lower quality. When you design something and you want to download it, it comes as a lower quality. It becomes low quality as compared to Canva, but you can still use it to do a lot of things. When we come to the church branding software or web application, these are the two web app I'll recommend for you guys: Canva and Poster My Wall. And then the last one on my list is we are going to look at the software we can use for our video editing. All right, it is very essential that every church should have an online engagement where they'll be posting sermons and messages to their audience online. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the software you can use to be able to edit your videos, your audios, all right, and then how to clean your audios after recording them. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through softwares you can use to do all this. Okay, so right now let's look at the softwares one after the other based on the category I've shown you guys over here. Okay guys, so when we look at our video editing category, the software I'm going to recommend for you is CapCut. All right, we have a lot of them over here. We have DaVinci Resolve, we have Premiere Pro, we have After Effects that you can use to do a lot of things. Okay, but for simplicity's sake, I recommend CapCut for you guys because it's totally free to use, and you can also have it on your mobile phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. You can have it on it, and then it's going to do a marvelous work for you. All right, it has a lot of pre-built templates, effects, transitions, and a lot of tools in it that you can use. Okay, so CapCut is going to be your friend. You'll be able to transcribe your pastor's speech, all right, as he's talking. You can transcribe it to English. The text will be showing on the screen by using CapCut to do that, and then you can also use to remove video backgrounds, work on your audio, remove noise, and a lot of things that you can use CapCut software to do. All right, so when we come to video editing, I'll recommend CapCut for you. All right, and then if you want to record audios, okay, if you want to record audios, sermon audios, then I'm going to recommend Adobe Audition for you guys. Okay, Adobe Audition is not a free software, it's a premium software from Adobe. All right, it's going to allow you to record any sound in it. All right, so it can allow you to record a church sermon audioly, and then after that you can edit it and then you can post it as well. So these are the two softwares I'll recommend in this category for you guys. All right, and it's totally easy to use and it's quite simple. All right, so guys, my Adobe couldn't load because of low internet. All right, so guys, this is where I'll bring the tutorial to an end, and I believe you've learned something. If there's a software I've left behind, if there's a great software you use that I don't know or I have forgotten to mention it, kindly leave it in the comment section below. I'll be glad to learn from you guys as well. All right, so guys, for simplicity's sake, I choose this software for you guys for ease and then for beginner friendly as well. So I'll stop over here and then I'll come again with another tutorial for you guys. So guys, I'll see you in another tutorial. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Goodbye.